First Corinthians 14, verse 40. Let all things be done decently and in order. God's creation of time is an indication of His orderliness. He created the earth in an orderly sequence, and since He is a God of order, we should be too. The more we become like Him, the more orderly our lives will be. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella, and today's video is going to be a pantry organization. So my pantry is about 9 feet tall, but I wish we had the walk-in pantry, but unfortunately when we were building this house, we didn't have the option to get it because of the kitchen plan we selected. Nevertheless, I'll be showing y'all how I organized this pantry from a disaster to a well-organized pantry. So the pantry is divided into two parts, the upper and bottom part. As you guys can see, this pantry is a disaster and it's really messy. But without further ado, let's transform this pantry. Firstly, I'm going to remove everything on the left side of the pantry and afterward clean all the shelves on the left side. Since the pantry is about 9 feet tall, your girl was not able to reach the upper shelf. I'm not sure though, so I asked my brother to help me out. Now that I'm done with the left side of the pantry, I'm going to tackle the right side. Same process, remove all the things and then clean the shelves. So now that the upper part is done, I'm going to remove and clean the bottom part. So if you guys are wondering what I'm using to clean the shelves, it's just Lysol spray and paper towels. All the shelves are clean and everything is removed. Let me show you guys the containers I bought for the pantry. First of all, the clear containers. I bought them from my local dollar store for $3.50 each. I was about to buy those clear container bins on Amazon, but there were 4 bins for $39.99. I found these OXO containers on Amazon. The longer ones are now $24.99 and the smaller ones are now $18.39. But they keep changing the prices. But I will add all the items I bought from Amazon in the description box. So these liners, I found them at the dollar store for $2.50 each. So I'm gonna use those liners in the pantry. So I also bought the OXO containers for my cereals as well. They are clear and beautiful. So I also got some baskets. They are called wire storage baskets on Amazon, and they were $48.99. And lastly, these large containers are from Ikea. I believe they were the large bowl were about $2.99 or $3.99, I believe. Alright guys, so these are all the items that I have. I went grocery shopping for few items and the rest were already in the pantry. So let's start. So way before I decided to film this video, I made myself a sketch of the pantry just to see where everything will go. It is easier, I'm telling you. If you're trying to organize your pantry, I would recommend you to do a sketch before. So now I have here my mama. We're trying to remove the shelf out. So now I'm trying to bring everything together. So I'm using the empty containers and putting them into place where everything should go. Look how awesome this looks. It looks neat and clean. So we're now going to use the liner. I'm cutting to the dimension of the pantry. to begin pouring things into the container. That is the fun part. I got labels on Etsy.com. When you go there, you can type in pantry labels and there's going to be a lot of options for you to choose. I got about 50 plus labels for less than $70. So I wasn't able to get labels for other containers. It looks really nice when you do have all the labels on the containers. But I would go back on Etsy.com and order some more. Now I'm organizing the snacks into their containers, from popcorn to protein bars. I also have Rice Krispies as well. So I'm now going to begin organizing my mango juice. I did not use any container for this. I felt that it was better off the way it is right now. Also the water as well. There's no need to use a container. am finally done. So now let's see the before and after. So this is how it looked like before. I hope you are able to create something like this at home, in your kitchen, or in your pantry. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video. And if you still haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and support your girl. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.